In this video, I'll detail how to send daily reminders on iPhone. So if you have a reason to send a reminder in form of alarm that will wake you or remind you of a particular activity every day, then you need to set up a daily reminder on your iPhone. So if you're not on this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to set up daily reminders on your iPhone, all you just need to do is open the reminder application on your iPhone. If you're going to find it, just come here and search for reminder. Once you search for reminder, here you're going to see all the reminders you have on your iPhone, and if you have none, you should see 000 like this. Then go and click on new reminder. Once you click on that, give your reminder a title. So you can just target anything. Here I'm going to say daily routine. So then here you have the details. Click on details, date, turn on date, then set the time. When do you want this reminder to remind you every day? So I want this to remind me at exactly 7 a.m. in the morning. Then once you select the time, then come to early reminder. Do you want your iPhone to remind you early before the exact time? No, but here to set up a daily reminder on your iPhone, just click on repeat. Then you can just check daily here. Then hand repeat. When do you want to hand repeat? Never hand repeat, so repeat forever. Then once you selected repeat daily here, this is going to set a daily reminder on your iPhone. Then I just come down here, set priority. Here I prefer the priority to be high, so it's my daily routine. Then I need this to be done every day. Once you're done, you set it to 7 a.m. and date, then click on add. Then if you come to today, then you see my daily routine here set to daily. That's why you see daily opposite the daily routine, and just don't want to keep any of this, just go ahead and remove from the routine, and you can see I have daily routine. So that is how you can easily set up daily reminder on your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.